Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy from Toronto back with another video. I'm doing my YouTube thing again. This may look familiar to you guys. A959 WL Toys. I've had this car for a little while. I've only done maybe a few runs with this, a couple videos. Main reason is because I got the A959B first and got this after. And you know that thing is a beast, so you know, I gotta show this thing some love now. Only thing I've done with this in terms of modification is I got these lights. I got the red at the back, white at the sides, and blue at the front to go with the color scheme, you know what I mean? So, main reason for this video is I want to do a tire change. Turn this light off. I want to do a tire change. These tires are terrible. You know what I'm saying? I don't like them on-road or off-road. I don't even think these things are real rubber. So, I usually use my A959, my A979B or A979 truck tires to do off-roading and on-roading, to be honest. So, you know, got fed up, so went into my local hobby store and got these things here. Chromed out now, you know. Seem to have a lot of grip and should do pretty good. So I'm gonna put the other two on and see how this thing looks. All right, sit tight. All right, here we go. So you get the hex, put that on, and the wheel, that thing in there. All right. That's that. I already took the nut off this one. Sorry, the hex. Put that in. And that's that. Alright, in there. Alright. There we go. Bam, all done. That looks cool. Definitely gonna do some runs with this on these wheels. See how it performs. Actually, let me check my A959B. Not bad. They both look pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Like I said, guys, stay tuned. Definitely gonna do some runs with these. Check these wheels out. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right. Peace.